Alright, so hi you guys and welcome back to my channel. If you see in that the background of this is very different. I'm actually in my living room and I'm videotaping on the floor. I just really wanted to be more comfortable this morning, obviously, with doing my makeup. And also this is going to be a mukbang because I just woke up and I made myself some breakfast. It's just eggs and bacon. Something simple, whatever, because my child is gone. I'm just here at the house alone and I just want a really chill day. So I'm gonna just eat my breakfast. But also this week is purple week, so I'm gonna do a couple of looks and a couple of things referencing to the color purple this week. So hopefully you like that. I've been wanting to do this for like some while, just focusing on certain colors that like yeah. At first I tried it with just the all blue look, and you can see that a while back, like I was just doing a week of blue. But like after day 3 I didn't have any more blue ideas to do with eyeshadow, so now I have more of an idea of other things that I want to do with colors, so hopefully that works too. So yeah, we're just going to get right into this. I've already done my eyebrows as always, and then now I'm just going to do my face because what I have in mind is very simple. Yeah, nothing too intricate today because I do plan on going out with this. Oh man. I do plan on going out with this, and yeah, just plan on going out with this. What am I trying to say? I'm trying to go to the store with this, or you know what? I don't know what I'm trying to do today. I'm trying to just have a light coverage face and to get my semi. I'm gonna put the Maybelline on the outside of my face because it is darker than it is darker than myself. So I like to just put it on the outside. I don't know what to say about that. We were outside and it was hot, and with my NARS concealer. Oh no. And just put that in obviously all the areas that we need to, which is mostly here, mostly freaking here because I'm tired. I'm so tired, and sad part is I'm probably gonna take another nap today. Since it is very early in the morning and I still got a whole day to go through, I'm gonna try to make this as durable as I can, if you know what I mean. I want to make sure this face lasts a very, very long time. Let me eat my eggs again because I forgot I was eating. Alright, so I'm gonna let my setting powder bake for a while, obviously, and then I'm gonna go in with this MAC compact and go with the color right here, which is called Pleasure Model, and I'm actually going to use it as kind of a contour, kind of a blush, kind of everything else in between. I'm also going to do something else with it too. I'm gonna add something else too. I'm gonna try it today. I'm gonna try to use an eyeshadow as a contour, which is basically what contour is anyway. It's basically a powder. Literally. It's a gray powder. And we all just be like, oh, But I wanted kind of a reddish tint to my face today. I didn't want an orange or gray tint. I just want a reddish tint. So that's why I'm using this blush today. Yeah, because it's literally blush. And using it to carve out my face. To deepen the contour a little bit more around my cheeks or whatever, I'm going to go in with this Masquerade palette right here. Use this color right here. And to deepen up the sides. So yeah, I'm going to just go in. Okay, that's totally not what I was looking for, but it's actually giving me off red vibes. I don't like it. I don't like it. I feel like I just messed up, but it's okay. It's okay, I just look very red today. Yeah, y'all see that? It's retarded. So now with my wet beauty blender, and I have some water too. With my wet beauty blender, I'm gonna go in and just melt this powder into my skin. And that really gives me my flawless coverage. Yes! It just really melts into my skin. It may not look like it on camera, but in real life, it looks really well. It looks really nice. Yeah. So I'm just going with my Sephora Warm Amber Perfection, whatever this shit is called. I don't know what it's called. Fondue Tint Perfection. In the color Warm Amber or whatever. Alyssa Ashley has talked about this once before. I actually bought this before she even talked about it. So when she started talking about it, I was like, dang, that's exactly what I'm wearing. I mean, that's exactly what powder I started wearing. I'm gonna just take this down to my neck a little bit too, just to smooth everything out. I'm gonna use the, let me eat again. Alright, so now I'm gonna go with my e.l.f. blush. Not my e.l.f. blush. This is my Juvia's Place, the Saharan Blush Volume 2. And then I'm going with this purple color right here called B. I'm just going to take a little bit of it because this stuff is very pigmented. And I'm just going, like I said, we're doing a purple look today, so I'm trying to make it as purple as possible. So for my highlight will not be purple. I do have to wear this today. But yeah, it gives a nice little flush to the face. And it blends in well with everything else. Especially that cheek I did. Also, you guys, it's good to invest in pH water. I've been drinking regular ass water for the last couple of days, and my skin had broke out like tremendously. But yesterday I bought the Essentia pH water balance water, and now I'm drinking on my smart water, and my skin has cleared up 10,000 times. Like, I was looking at my skin earlier when I was doing my eyebrows, and my skin literally has a glow. So just remember that what you put in your body literally is going to determine how your outcome is. And as I say that, as I'm eating bacon, but I'm on this keto diet, and that had changed my life too. Yesterday, when I went to the gym, I had so much freaking energy. I was like, I was busting out those moves in step class. Like, you couldn't tell me anything. And I was sweating. And I was like, dang, yo, like, I'm really sweating. But I was really working out. That was like the most energy I ever had in step class. Now we're gonna go and do our highlight. I should have done it when my face was wet, but it's fine. With the Artist Couture and Conceited. And we're just gonna put that in our highest points. Yep, right there. Yeah, and I'm starting to love these, starting to use these highlights again, because I got so stuck on the Jeffree Star highlights. that like I was neglecting all my other highlights, because Jeffree Star highlights are just so good. Like they're just so good. They're so pigmented, and they were just giving me so much life. But then I was like, oh yeah, you know, I got a whole lot of other stuff. So I pulled these out again, and again, these just do me so much good. And also on my channel, I have a highlight video. Please go check that out. I swatched all my highlighters on my face, and it's a pretty awesome sight to see. But yeah, but now we're just gonna go ahead and do my eyes real quick. So we're just gonna prime it real quick with some NARS concealer. I really do love this freaking concealer, man. I don't like the long one, whatever that they made, but I like this one. So we're doing something really simple on the eyes. We're literally just gonna go in with, oh no, it's on my palette too. Alright, so we're just gonna go in with something really simple. We're just gonna go in with this brown right here in my masquerade palette, and just what is happening. We're just gonna, oh no, okay, just go in. Yay. Okay, it almost reminds me, is that what I used to do? I'm a mess. Eating a piece of bacon. Nom nom. I'm fucking glowing. I'm on so much. It's okay. By the end of the day, it'll probably blend right into my skin, and just looks like I'm actually glowing from outside. Look at my freaking highlight, bro. And now we're just gonna go with this L'Oreal Paris Infallible, the super slim, and just make a wing. Oh my god. I fucked up already, Lord. Oh my god. It's okay though. So we're just gonna carry out a wing look. Literally, just a wing look. And get it as downwards as possible. See that? Actually came out nice. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave the wing on top, because I was gonna put, okay, so there's two ways you can do this. You can either draw a wing and then put like a purple line on top of it, you know, something like that. Some of you already done seen before, but I don't want to mess it up, because that's fucking cutting a bitch right there. Yep, that's cutting a bitch right there. Yeah, and then I'm just gonna go over here. This eye is always the weirdest to me. I try to follow the line for it, like okay, so I learned from gay person, if you just take from the inner corner and just draw straight across or whatever, that you'll be good. But it's not right. But because my eyes are a weird shape on each side, I have to lift this one just a little bit, just so it can look as straight as I want it to look. But he did say on the top to just draw your wing straight across, and you got your wing. That works. That literally works. You just saw me do it. But you literally just saw me do it. But yeah, I just take it and Cleo, where you going, bro? Yeah, so I'm gonna pull my lashes and then I'm gonna come back to you later. So we're back. So next, I got my lashes on. These are the Mykonos lashes by Lily Lashes. Obviously, that's what I pretty much always wear. But yeah, you see that? See that wing? This is the first time I ever done my wings like this good. But anyway, I'm gonna take this Marc Jacobs eyeliner or highliner in the color Mist Me, and put it in my lower lash line. And these will literally stay all day. But I'm gonna now set my face with my all-nighter spray. I'm just really just trying to use this up because I absolutely hate it. Want to wear this? Don't you wear this? Or okay, or should I wear this? Or should I wear no? I should wear this. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my Jeffree Star I'm Royalty lipstick. Okay. Zoop. And basically, why did that come out so dry? Is this old? I mean, it is old, but oh my god. Okay, it still works. But you can tell the consistency of it is not the same that it used to be. Because I had it for so long. I think I had it for over 3 years. Yeah, that sounds horrible when I say it now, but I don't hear anything. Oh no. Oh fucking no. Hey, okay. So anyway, that is it. That is all. If you like the look that you saw today, please like my video, comment, and also subscribe. And hopefully we'll see you later. I didn't even finish my freaking breakfast. I didn't. I got too wrapped up in just trying to do my makeup up.